Well, here's our new boat. Picked it up yesterday. It's what is it, like February 20 something, 2013. This is a Ebbtide Catalina XL. Has the V8 Chevrolet. Looks like a Bravo drive. It's about a 19-foot boat, but feels real big because it's so deep. You see there in the back, it's got a pop-up cover that goes across there. All the seats, everything are in really good shape for the age of the boat. It's going to pretty much just be a run and drive unit. So there's our TX numbers. And there's a whole number. ETC 41585M84H. Just for insurance purposes. Yeah, overall it's a beautiful boat. We're gonna have a lot of fun with this one.